Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com. Making this video again today, one more time. This is the second video today. I'm just want to show the results, right? So I made the a video in the morning, around, I think it's like 7:30 a.m. Oh, yeah, around 7:30, 7:30, because there was a news supposed to come out here, the USD news, right? 8:30 USD, a couple of red news, 1, 2, and 3, right? So they're supposed to be coming. So I said, well, let me just make a video that what kind of setup I have, and right after the news, we will see that what we can do, right? And then those setup will play out. So everybody was waiting, all the traders, the whole world was waiting for this news. Nothing was moving. And that's the idea, right? So when you wait for the news, this is the catalyst. This is the force that move the price, and then you get in, right? So I made the video showing few charts. Let me show you again what kind of charts I was looking at. The first chart is like this yen index, right? Now, yen, the characteristic of yen index is that wherever it goes, all yen pair will follow most of the time, right? So I said, this is how that, so like this fib and then this fib. This is this yellow count. This was, and everything explained in my previous video you can watch. So I said that this might be bouncing from this 23% line, which is 7110. So I said, well, above 7110, we will go up towards this number. Right. And if we drop after the news, anything can happen, right? So if we drop, we're gonna go down to this 78% or maybe this 70.49, right? It's written here. So and everybody knows, at least my group, that when if it's gonna bounce, all yen pair will be going to the upside. So what really happened that I also made the charts for some yen pairs like euro yen. Okay, now this so far it bounced from here, the yen index, and you see it is here right now. I just recorded a few minutes ago. So it bounced, and then obviously, if it is bouncing, then we're supposed to have long trade, right? So I made a couple of charts. For example, this one I made, and I said that it's supposed to be going from here to here, right? Previously, I made the chart that it's going to come down from here to here, so it did. And then this morning, I made this chart that from here to here, we're going to go to the upside. And so far, you can see what happened to this chart is this, right? So it is from here to here. And going to the upside, the euro yen didn't give me the entry, to be honest with you, right? So 7-minute entry, I'm supposed to get it, but it went too fast, and there was no entry. The second chart I had, but my analysis was 100% right on the dot. So the second chart I had was not this one, this morning. This is the previous one. On the 12th, I said this pound yen is going to drop, and this thing dropped like this, right? Then I made the chart that is going to go up, and I don't know where the heck I recorded the chart, but I have the after chart, which is this is what happened to pound yen. It bounced exactly from here, and so far it is here. And this one gave me the entry, and this is the entry here, the long entry. See that it was bearish. All of a sudden, after the news, boom, going to the upside, drop, went up 75 pip. Now, the other chart, one more chart I had, this one, USD yen. I showed this one as well in my previous video, this morning. So I said, this thing is probably going to bounce from here because it's extension of 127 and 46.48. It says, watch this. After the news, it's going to go up. And so far, it is exactly where I said that it's going to go. And this one also gave me the entry, and here's the trade. Right? It was also bearish here. Boom, entry gone, 90 pip. Right? And another one was okay. Another chart that I made. By the way, all of these charts I also posted on the Telegram here. You can see that this is pound yen from 13 that's gonna drop. This one I just showed you yen index chart, right? Either it's gonna go bounce and or drop, maybe second option, and then this pound USD I'll show you just now. And this is a USD yen I posted here that's going to go up. And what to do is written here, right? So my people know exactly what the setup is and how the 7-minute entry look like, and they all have the alarm as well, right? So I'm saying this as a general because I'm gonna make it public so other people can see that what the heck we are doing here, right? So yeah, so they all have my expert advisors, the robots to take the trades, right? And all of that. So now this one, yeah, USD index, I posted here that this is what's going to happen. And the video final, I posted here. So this is the US dollar index chart that is supposed to be bouncing from here to here. And so far, I think it is, I didn't make the chart, but yeah, after chart, right? So, but you can see here from here to here, it went up, right? Not much. But now, because of this, Euro USD and Pound USD is supposed to be coming down. So I didn't make the after chart because they are coming down. I have the entry on both of them, but they didn't move much, right? They're very, it's a small daily range, right? So let me show how they're doing anyway. Pound USD is supposed to be dropping from there, and you can see that it dropped almost so far. It has dropped like 50 pip, right? 50, 55 pip, 57 pip. But see, the daily range is very small, right? So it doesn't move much. Maybe I'll hold the trade until tomorrow, and then maybe it's gonna come down all the way here, right? So, Euro USD, Pound USD, sometimes you have to hold for like a couple of days to get a decent amount of trade. Euro USD is supposed to be going down, and then you can see that this was my chart, and right from here, it dropped. Why? Because the USD started to bounce, right? You just saw it. USD chart, see that? It start to bounce. Now, if it goes all the way there, break this, and then go, then break this, and, all the way to the upside. But it didn't move much, and the speed is not there. The volume was not there, right? So that's why. So USD pair, didn't do good. They're still like I have 40 pip. I think is on that 40, 45 pip on Euro USD, and 35 for 40 pip on Pound USD. Right now, positive. But you know that less than 50 pip, I don't even make the chart. Right. So if they, there will be continue going down, going down, and then let's see if we by that time, let's see 2 p.m. right? So maybe like 6, 7, 8 o'clock. If they are still dropping, then I'll hold. If not, I'll close it. Whatever it is, right? No big deal. But my bread and butter is usually like Aussie pairs and yen pairs, right? So that's how everything going so far, right? So two trades out of all of this commotion, right? I have two trades only, but one is for 75 pip and the other one is for 95 pips. So altogether is 165 pip, right? There's no SL hit on this drama. And two going right now on, let's say average 40 pip each, so that's 80 pip, in Euro USD and Pound USD. They are underway right now as I'm speaking here. So this one is going on. I got the entry here and it's dropping, and Pound USD also got the entry, and then it's 35 or 40 pip on this one. This is just not moving, man. It is, I know the reason. It's the pound news. I showed you in my previous video that the pound news came out, couple of them back to back were very, very strong, right? That's why pound went crazy. And then pound Aussie, pound yen, pound USD, they all went up big time, right? And they are like not coming down easily. So this is how it is. I'm probably gonna take off right now. After a little while, I'm gonna go fishing. And when I come back, maybe tonight I'll make another video with new setups for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, need to be very careful, but I think that I can find always, maybe 2 or 3 good setup. And then, making 50, 100 pay per day, not a problem, right? If you follow the system, right? So if you like what you see, you're interested, go on my website here. Somewhere, I don't know, like kind of lost it here. Oh man, here, right? So here you have everything: website subscription, courses, harmonic pattern course, Elliott wave course, and there's combo deals, right? Combination of different things, and then one-on-one coaching if you want to learn all this, analysis that I do, right? Today, I mean, in the morning, the video I made in the morning, I had like 7 setup, including yen index and USD index, then 3 of pound yen, euro yen, and USD yen setup, and then Euro USD and Pound USD. And all 100% are going in my direction. 100%. Not a single one, the other way, right? And not knowing about the news, right? I was waiting for the news, just like everybody else. But The technical is, most of the time technical prevail over the news. So this is how it is, right? And if it does, if the news comes out the other way and my setup not playing out, it's safe. I don't make the entry. Simple as that. I don't get the entry, then don't take the trade. But if I have a setup, let's say pound USD is going to go up. Okay, I mean, sorry, pound yen, right? So I have the setup and the news comes out. And if it is going in my direction, it start to go up. And then I find the entry. Only then I take the trade. That's why I have only two trades taken. And they are both right now. I have four trades, but two I closed, two running, right? USD, pound USD still running. And pound USD for 75, I mean, pound yen and USD yen for 95, 90 pip, I closed already. So this is how it is. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later. And in the evening, I'll make another video with new setups and we will hunt for tomorrow. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later. And don't forget to sign up with my free Telegram. This is another Telegram where I post updates, right? Sometimes I post the videos and setups and all of that. So this is the button here. You can join. The other Telegram that I showed you that, this one here, this is paid subscribers, right? If you join, you will be a part of it. And then this is where I post my setups and all of that, right? This is going to drop and then this one and this one. Pound USD, yeah, I just showed you. Okay. All right. So this is pretty good, informative. You join this Telegram and then get to see that how we are doing and how many trades and, videos and all of that. I'm constantly posting here. So it's free, no problem. Just click on it and then join. Right, the link is right there. Okay. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.